Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem Messenger video call background is not working. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very easy to solve this problem. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings option. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option app management, tap on it. Now you can see a option app settings, tap on it. Then you have to search for Messenger. Okay, here it is, tap on it. Now you can see there are many options there, so you have to click on the storage and cache option at this third place, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see two buttons, that is clear storage and clear cache. You have to clear the storage and clear the cache. So after that you have to click on the force stop button at the bottom options, or it can be at the top option. After that you have to restart your phone, and that's it. Hopefully there will be no problem. After following all these steps, you can easily open the Messenger and there will be no problem in video call background. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.